substitutions dito. Ricky Kalimag and Mark Tingris. Pinalitan si Mark Telan at Kirby Raimundo respectively.
At yan, pinag-uusapan mo lang kanina, Richard, yung mga sub nitong Pure Foods. Lalabas si The Kid, Raimundo, papasok naman. Tingris.
Yes. And this will be a challenge naman dito sa mga pumasok na players ng Coca-Cola Tigers. They have to match the energy coming from these players from Pure Foods. Ito na si Tingris. Bitawan yung bola. Ronjay Buenafe against Lanete. Alam mo, this is a nice matchup rin between these two rookies, Buenafe and Lanete. Two of the rookies have been most impressive so far in the conference.
Yes, ito si Buenafe averaging close to 15 points para dito sa Coca-Cola. At nakikita natin, grabe rin ang kumpiyansa itong batang ito, Richard. Magaling sa open court, diba? Can finish sa mga fast break, sa mga penetration.
Actually, has earned the starting roster. Hindi lang nga siya nag-start dito sa ball game na to, but has started in the 4 games. The first 4 games ng Coca-Cola Tigers.
At nakakuha siya ng split, which is surprising dahil almost 90% ang average yun sa free throw.
Lanete naman, nabitawan ng bola. Saved by Tingris. 12 seconds to shot clock. Peter Jun Simon is bumped by Ricky Kalimag.
At yun, Richard, classic example ng bagong rules. No? According to the PBA, pwede kang mag-hand check ng bahagya, pwede kang bumangga ng bahagya. Pero kamukha nun, pagka bangga niya, nawala yung bola, kailangan tawagan ng foul.
Tsaka displaced, no? Hindi siya nakapunta kung saan niya pumunta talaga.
At dispossessed dahil nawala rin yung bola.
Alright, short rest para dito kay Mark Telan. Peter Jun Simon, second free throw. This, but offensive rebound for John Del Salvador. Napaganda pa ang play para dito sa Pure Foods DJ Giants.
At hindi nagugustuhan ni Coach Vicky Pabis ang nangyari to, Richard. Kahit sinong coach, siguro offensive rebound off a free throw kasi may pwesto ka na sa ilalim at kukunan pa ng offensive rebound, which is isang strength nitong Pure Foods, 22 per game offensive rebound.
Eh, sinasabi nga, number 1 rebounding team of Pure Foods, and just gave up an offensive rebound. And bago pa makakuha ng bola si Ronjay Buenafe, hinapitan na siya nitong si Rob Sands.
At yan, Richard, another area no, na gustong i-adjust ng mga referees sa tawagan, yung mga off-the-ball situation kumukha nun. Pwede mong hawakan ng konti, pero yung haharangan mo at di na siya makakapunta kung gusto niya puntahan, foul yun.
Yes. Telan inside. Kalimag. Well, recovers 3 seconds to shot clock. Telan looks at the clock, launches it up.
Automatic violation dahil hindi siya tumama dun sa ring.
So under a minute remaining, Pure Foods looking to increase their lead to 4 or possibly 5. James Yap. So far, si James wala pang puntos dito. Si Colanete missing. Another offensive rebound, this time from Robert Sands. At muntik pa ipasok sa atin. Ito ngayon, si Ronjay Enrile. Naagawan pa si Chico Lanete. Lanete ngayon. Makes the move. Lanete, nadapa.
Nasuhod pa.
Oo, naku, buti ka naman makaagaw dito si Lanete. And ito, nakompleto na nga ng Pure Foods. Here's James Yap. Side-stepping move, James Yap. No!
At buhay na buhay ang crowd dito sa Inares Center, Richard. Nakita natin sa sequence na yun, Lanete, naka-steal, di ba? Pagbalik, nawala yung bola sa kanya. Hindi siya nag-give up. Dahil sabi ni Coach Ryan, yun ang gusto natin, yung mahasel talaga. Never say die.
Ayan, makikita natin, natapa na siya dito. Eh, hindi pa kagad pinasa ni Ronjay eh. O yan tuloy, nasundutan pa. At ito, mado-double team pa. Tumawag ng rest back. Ito na. James Yap naman ngayon, sumugod. And yan, na-foul na siya. And he made his first free throw. Yan po ang unang puntos para dito kay James Yap. At sinasabi mo nga, for Coke to have a good chance of winning, they have to limit the production of James Yap.
James Yap on the board, di natin masabi. Pag naumpisahan ang scoring nitong former MVP, maaaring tuloy-tuloy na yan. At nakikita natin, Richard, ito parang bagong personality ng team, ano, ng Pure Foods. Scrappy, tinan mo, yung mga depensang never giving up.
And Kalimag. Unsuccessful. So after an action-packed first quarter, mga kaibigan, it is a close ball game between the Pure Foods DJ Giants and the Coca-Cola Tigers. But after 12 minutes of action, we still have the Pure Foods DJ Giants on top. 20 their feet still planted on the ground and they have not yet accomplished anything. And of course, they don't want to get their first loss tonight against Coach Binky Fabis at ang Coca-Cola Tigers. And well, in the first quarter rather, masasabi nating sloppy basketball rin, no? Because both teams combined for a total of 17 turnovers, 10 para sa Pure Foods, 7 para sa Coca-Cola Tigers.
Palitan sila ng turnover. Surprisingly nga, mas maraming turnover. Gaya na sinabi mo, sa Pure Foods. But making up for it, no? Yung mga ganda nilang depensa and offensive rebounding, 5 kaagad. And overall, 14-9 na mga Pure Foods na rebound.
And first quarter field goals, there you have it on the screen. James Diaz with a TM3. Sabi ko nga eto na, baka magsunod-sunod na puntos. Ito ni James Diaz.
Dahil nakabutas na kanina.
Oo.
5 points ngayon para kay James Yap.
Telan. Kabagnot. Back to Telan. Passes to Cathy Banks. And Binawe. And Cesar Cathy with his own version of a TM3.
Yes, ito si Cesar Catley. Hindi rin pwedeng iwanan ng bukas to, Richard. Sharp shooter, di ba? Galing
Oo.
sa FPU.
Ito, Kirby Raimundo against Telan. Ito si Cathy matawagan. He has a tough matchup. Binabantayan niya si Mark Pingris.
Mark Pingris, kausap ko si Coach Ryan, sabi niya, tanggap niya yung role niya, which is most of the time off the ball. Hindi yung primary option, di ba, na gumagawa ng moves. Talagang rumiri-pound lang siya. Ayan, nakikita natin.
Oh, yes!
Nilinis mo na yung ring, no?
Hindi na nahintay ni Mark Telan.
Actually, Richard, yung ganun, umiikot-ikot sa ring, pwedeng tapikin palabas yun. Problema, ginawa ni Mark Telan, tinapik mula sa ilalim.
Mula sa ilalim. Ito, nilinis talaga. Nasa loob. Hindi pa nagde-decide yung bola. Si Mark lang nag-decide, pero counted na yan. So, it's now 26-20.
And ang naka-score noon, James Yap na naman, Richard.
Yun.
May init na 7 points para dito si James Yap.
Alright,
so far.
7 straight points yan, ha? Started with 2 free throws towards the end of the first quarter. Kabagnot. Kalimag, nabitawan pa. 3 seconds to shot clock ng Cook. Inside to Kalimag and another turnover. This is the third time na inabutan sila ng shot clock violation.
At makikita natin kung Coca-Cola struggling sa kanilang half-court offense dahil wala silang talagang go-to guy na pwedeng gumawa ng move.
Lanete signaling the play para sa Pure Food.
And Coca-Cola in a zone.
Yes,
Richard, ngayon.
adjustment. And nag-travel dito si Mark Pingris. So yun yung panggulat ng Coca-Cola Tigers. Settling in a zone defense. Kalimag drives baseline. Under the stab. Not exactly the best shot to take dahil wala pa yung mga kakampi niya.
Oo, at tatlong higante ang
Oo.
umalubong sa kanya ron sa ilalim.
Catley, quick release. Yes. Cesar Catley with 5 points. Ito rin, another streak shooter para sa Coca-Cola Tigers.
Coke staying with the zone, Richard.
Yeah. Well, Kirby Raimundo shoots a 3. Too strong. Long rebound goes to Lanete. James Yap. Back to Kirby. Lanete for 3. No. Long lead pass to Ronjay Buenafe. Buenafe na double team dito. Buenafe wiggles out with a double team. Catley. Take this naman this time. James Yap. Tumugod. James Yap. Will not get continuation. Nakatalikod itong defender ng Coke going down court at na-recognize kaagad itong si James Yap kaya siya umatake.